In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Monday.com. Whether you're managing projects or organizing your team's tasks, Monday.com is a powerful tool. Sometimes you need to take your data outside the platform, perhaps into a spreadsheet for in-depth analysis or sharing with others. Today, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of exporting this data to Excel. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to your home screen. This is where all your boards, projects, and other tools you frequently use should be easily accessible. Next, locate the sample board from which you want to export data. Monday.com typically organizes your projects in boards, so finding the right one is the first step towards exporting your information efficiently. Click on the sample board to open it. Once inside your chosen board, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots positioned there. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu houses various options for board management and data manipulation. From the drop-down menu, select Export to Excel. This option enables you to download your board's data in an Excel-friendly format, making it easier to manage outside of Monday.com. As soon as you click it, a prompt will appear offering additional choices for how you want to receive your data. You'll see the option to email me a copy. This step ensures you have a convenient way to access your exported data later, as you'll receive an email containing a download link of the Excel file. By opting to have the file emailed, you reduce the risk of losing your export due to browser mishaps. Another handy feature offered by Monday.com when exporting data is including updates. This is perfect if you need detailed records of any changes or comments made on your board. Click on Include Updates if you want this additional layer of information in your Excel export. With these settings configured to your needs, it's time for the final step. Click the Export button. This action will start the export process. A confirmation message will usually appear on screen, notifying you that your data export is in progress. Await receipt of your email, which usually arrives promptly, and download your file from the link provided. Now you have the flexibility to analyze or share your data using Excel or any other compatible spreadsheet software. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, exporting data from Monday.com becomes not just easy, but also efficient, allowing you to leverage your project data effectively offline. Be sure to save or share this video for future reference, and feel free to explore other Monday.com features to maximize your productivity. Thanks for watching.